beautiful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So, we are back with a social studies class and today we will start with a new chapter. But before that, I would like to show you something. Let's go. So, what is this? Look at the project carefully. You see there is water and what do you see? There is a ship, there is a cruise, then there is a yacht, there is a motorbike, and over here what do you see? There is a road and there are so many vehicles, isn't it? Like there is a car, there is truck, a scooter, auto rickshaw, then school bus is also there. And over here, what do you see? There is an aeroplane, there is a helicopter, there is a rocket. Okay, so what do you think we are going to study about? Yes, so you have guessed it right. Our next chapter we are going to study is transport. So, in the pictures you can see there are different modes of transport that we use in our everyday life, है ना? कोई लोग स्कूटी यूज करते हैं, कोई कार यूज करता है. You must be riding bicycles. So all these are what? These are the means of transport which is used by people either to travel, that is एक place से दूसरी place पे जाने के लिए भी यूज होता है, and अगर हमें goods को carry करना हो from one place to another. Okay, children? So, now let us start with the chapter. That is chapter number 19.
Chapter 19. Transport. How do you go to school every day? Do you go by bus, car, or rickshaw? We use vehicles like buses, cars, and auto rickshaws to travel. These vehicles are called means of transport.
Okay, so is it clear what are means of transport? First he asked, what do you use to travel? आप स्कूल जाने के लिए, I know अभी तो हम स्कूल नहीं आते, but when you used to come to school, how did you reach? Okay, क्या यूज करते थे? Maybe an auto rickshaw, maybe with a four-wheeler, that is your parents must have taken a four-wheeler for you, or a two-wheeler also, anything. So all these are what? These are the means of transport.
They help people to travel from one place to another. The kind of transport we choose depends on the distance to be traveled, time available, and money we have. We use
Very important. What? कि हम जो means of transport use करते हैं, select करते हैं, depends on three things. That is time, money, and distance. Isn't it? How? I will tell you. First, if we talk about time, sometimes we are in a hurry. Okay, हमें कहीं urgently जाना होगा, हमें बहुत ज़रूरत है कि हमें time पे पहुँचना है. So what will you do? You will choose your means accordingly. अगर मुझे यहाँ से अहमदाबाद जाना है and it is due to some medical reasons, I have to hurry, I can choose a flight also. Okay, इससे मैं बहुत जल्दी पहुँच जाऊँगी. And अगर मुझे बहुत जल्दी नहीं है, so I can choose train also. है ना? So this depends upon the situations. This depends upon the time. Now, talking about distance. Distance में हम कैसे select करते हैं? Now, for example, I have to go from Gandhidham to Kerala. Now, Kerala is so far from here, isn't it? So, Kerala by road जाओगे क्या? Kerala by road जाना is very hectic thing, right? So, what you can do? You can go through flight. Flight से आप बहुत जल्दी पहुँच सकते हो. If you go by train also, it will take 2 to 3 days. But that depends कि आपको कितना जल्दी वहाँ पे पहुँचना है. Now, in the same example, if we talk about money. Okay, now everyone is not financially very well. Okay, कुछ लोग अफोर्ड कर पाएंगे ट्रेन से जाना, कुछ लोग अफोर्ड कर पाएंगे फ्लाइट से जाना. सबके लिए इजी नहीं होता है कि फ्लाइट्स के फेयर्स कर पाए मैनेज. सो व्हाट विल दे डू? दे विल go through trains. Is it clear? So time, money and distance. It is very important while selecting the means of transport.
Use two-wheelers, buses and cars to travel shorter distances. For traveling from one state to another, we use trains or aeroplanes. Bullock carts, trucks, trains and ships, along with aeroplanes, are used to carry people and goods.
So, what are used to carry people and goods? Bullock carts, truck, train, ship and aeroplane. These are used to carry people and goods from one place to another. Now, among all these options, which is the one you think is the oldest one? It is the bullock carts. And अब bullock cart से लोग generally कम भी कर दिया है यूज़ करना, है ना. उसकी जगह हम क्या करते हैं? We prefer ship, we prefer trucks, trains. So what has happened? Because of improvement in the technology, because of advancements, लोगों की financial capacity भी अच्छी हो गई है. इसके वजह से क्या हो गया है? bullock cart की जगह people choose train, aeroplanes, ship, etc. Now if you give your goods, okay, आपने अगर अपने goods दिए transport में through bullock carts and कुछ goods दिए through truck, so which one will reach first? What do you think? Yes, truck. So because truck जो है bullock cart से ज़्यादा fast move करता है, that is why truck के through पहले goods पहुँच जाएंगे. Is it clear, students? So we'll stop over here. Now it's time for worksheets. Okay? So you can see this is your worksheet. I'll read it for you. What is the meaning of means of transport? On what basis do we choose means of transport? What do we use to travel short distances? And how many kinds of transport are there? Name them. Okay? That we will discuss in the next class. So, till that, God bless you. Goodbye.